Want to lock down your Gmail in under 1 minute? Let's quickly turn on Google's two-step verification together. Two-step verification adds a second check, so even if someone knows your password, they still can't get in easily. We'll use your Google account settings, not just the Gmail page, so follow each click on screen. First, open a browser and sign into the Gmail account you want to protect. Once you see your inbox, look at the top right and click your profile picture or initial circle. In the small menu that opens, click Manage your Google account. This is where security settings live. You're now on the Google account page. At the top, click the Security tab. Scroll down to Signing into Google, then click Two-Step Verification. It may also be called Two-Factor Verification in some guides. On the Two-Step Verification page, click Get Started, then re-enter your password if Google asks. Next, choose how you want to get codes. For most people, a text message to your phone is easiest. Type your phone number, click Next, then check your phone and enter the code Google sends you. When Google confirms the code, click Turn On. You've just enabled two-step verification and your Gmail is now much safer.